Unlocking the mystery of garage door repair. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical topic that touches on everyday life, especially for those living in houses with garages. We're exploring the phrase, garage door repair. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or someone interested in home maintenance, this video will clarify what this phrase means and why it's important. So, let's get started. Garage door repair is a phrase composed of three main parts. Let's break it down. Garage. This is a building or a part of a building where vehicles, like cars and bikes, are stored. Often, it's part of a house or located near it. Door. This refers to the large, movable structure that opens and closes to allow vehicles in and out of the garage. Repair. This means to fix something that is broken or not working properly. So, when we combine these words, garage door repair involves fixing any issues with the door of a garage that prevents it from functioning correctly. Garage doors can face a variety of problems that require repair. Here are a few common ones. Broken springs. The springs help in lifting and lowering the door smoothly. If they break, the door won't operate properly. Opener issues. The motorized device that opens the door can sometimes fail, needing repair or replacement. Misaligned tracks. The garage door slides on tracks. If these are not aligned, the door might not open or close fully. Wear and tear. Over time, parts like cables, rollers, and panels may wear out and need replacing. Understanding these common issues can help you communicate more effectively if you ever need to seek help for garage door repair. Ignoring problems with your garage door can lead to more significant issues, including safety risks and higher repair costs. Here's why timely repairs are crucial. Safety. A malfunctioning garage door can be dangerous. It can unexpectedly fall or not open during an emergency. Security. The garage door is a primary entry point to many homes. A broken door compromises home security. Convenience. A fully functional garage door is essential for the daily routine of going in and out of your house. Cost saving. Addressing problems early can prevent more extensive damage, saving you money in the long run. We hope this video has shed light on garage door repair and its significance. Remember, knowing how to talk about common household repairs is not only useful for practical reasons but also helps in improving your English language skills. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.